Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to simplify the following algebraic expression. We have simplify pq to the power of negative 1 minus p to the power of negative 1 times q, all divided by q to the power of negative 1 minus p to the power of negative 1. To start with, I'm going to apply the laws of exponent in order to solve the following. The first law I'll be applying is making a negative exponent positive. For example, if I have x to the power of negative y, to make it positive, the negative will be the fraction bar. So this will become 1 over x to the power of positive y. So if I rewrite the expression, I'm going to have p times q to the power of negative 1 becomes 1 over q, which is the same as p over q, minus, then p to the power of negative 1 will be 1 over p. So I have that as q over p, all divided by, I'm going to use a long fraction bar, q to the power of negative 1, that's 1 over q minus 1 over p. The next step is I'm going to simplify my numerator separately and then simplify my denominator separately. So by doing that, I'm going to put them under the same denominator. So for my numerator, I have q and p as the denominator, so the LCD is qp. And in order to make them have the same denominator, it's going to be I multiply each term by p, because the LCD for the denominator is pq, and then the second term, I multiply that by q. And whatever you do at the top, you do at the bottom. If I go to my denominator, the LCD is qp, so I'm going to do the same. In order to make the denominator the same, what I will do here is to multiply by p. I'm going to do the same at the bottom. And for my 1 over p, I multiply that by q. And whatever you do at the top, you do at the bottom. So my expression becomes, I'm going to put this in a bracket. I have p squared, that's p times p squared, over p times q, that's pq, minus q times q squared, over p times q, pq, divided by p times 1, that's p over pq, minus q times 1, q over pq. When you're adding or subtracting fraction, the first step is to make the denominator the same, and after you've been able to make the denominator the same as shown, then you can place the fraction under the same denominator. So therefore, this becomes, at the top of my numerator, p squared minus q squared divided by, that's pq, because now they have the common denominator. I'm going to change the fraction bar and writing it using another function for division. Then for my denominator, I have that is still the same denominator pq. Then I have my numerator p minus q. That's equal to, when you're simplifying fractions and you're dividing, what you do is, if I have a over b divided by c over d, this becomes, you keep the first term on your left, that's a over b, you change your division sign to multiplication, and then you flip the right hand term, so that c over d becomes d over c. So I'm going to do the same here. I have, note that I'm doing two steps at the same time. My p squared minus q squared, that's difference of two squares, and that states that if I have x squared minus y squared, if I factorize, that's x plus y, multiplying x minus y. So I'm going to do the same for p squared minus q squared. That becomes P plus Q multiplying P minus Q divided by PQ, and then my division sign changes to multiplication, and then I flip the term on my right, so that becomes PQ divided by P minus Q. Now that I've been able to simplify, the next step is to look for common terms at the top and at the bottom that can divide and cancel out. I have PQ divided by PQ, that's 1. Then I have P minus Q divided by P minus Q, that's 1. I'm left with my final answer, which is P plus Q at the top divided by 1. P plus Q divided by 1 remains P plus Q. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. Thanks for watching. Bye.